Hey guys, it's Curly Tosh. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. What's good? What's poppin'?
Started listening to my higher self, yeah. Connected with myself, learn to love myself. You're the key to your success. Let that rest in your head.
So today, you guys, I am going to be showing you how I clean up my eyebrows. As you can see, we're looking bushy, okay? So we're about to touch these babies up. We're going to be trimming our eyebrows, cleaning up our eyebrows, you know, that sort of thing. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let's just go ahead and jump right into this video. Hopefully you guys can see what I'm doing. Starting at the bottom, and you want to get all of the hairs that are right here. Make sure you do not overplug because, sis, you don't even know how many times I've overplugged. And I'm just going to be taking a spoolie, you guys, and I'm going to brush these hairs up just so they are clean and I can see the precise line of my brow. And I can also indicate where I want to pluck each hair, like so. I already plucked all of the hairs that need to be plucked down here. Now I'm just going to proceed to brushing my brows down like so, just so I can also see how I need to trim the hairs right here and right here. I really don't focus too much about trying to get each individual hair because I do go in and I do shave the top and the bottom of my brow just so it gives it that more sharp look, you feel me? You can see I went ahead and got the hairs right here. Now I take scissors. You can go and you can get eyebrow cutting scissors, but I don't have any, so I just use these regular hair cutting scissors. But just be super careful with anything that you use because you don't want to cut off too much. So now I'm just gonna brush my hairs back up. Then I'm just going to take these scissors like so, and I cut them. Also, you want to brush your brows down. You just go and you trim the bottom. Like so, you guys. See the difference? Okay guys, so now moving on to this brow, I went ahead and flipped the camera around. Now I'm just going to proceed to getting all of these hairs that are right here. First, I'm going to brush the hairs up. And then I'm going to start plucking. And if I'm looking this way, it's simply because my mirror is right here. Now that we finished the bottom part, now I'm just going to brush the eyebrow down. I'm going to tweeze the sides. So now that we are done with this eyebrow, I'm gonna go ahead and brush them up. And we're going to trim. And that is it for the trimming and the tweezing. And now I'm just gonna take my straight edge. I love this straight edge. This is just a heavy duty metal straight edge. Got it off of Amazon, but you can also get the plastic edge razors that you can get at Walmart. You can basically get them anywhere. I just make sure you stop before you get to the hair on your eyebrow. So right there. And as you can tell, it's already giving it a sharp look. And this is where you would create your arch if you wanted one. Go on this one, and like I said, shave down to the brow, but do not go into the brow. Just want to brush them out to see what you're working with. And then for my unibrow, as some people call it, now you can either tweeze this or you can shave it. I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna tweeze. So let's just tweeze away. To clean up our brows from all the excess hair, I'm going to take my Noxzema Ultimate Clear Anti-Blemish Pads. You know I love these. I recommend it if you have not tried it. Also, if you have not checked out my updated skincare routine, then go ahead and check that out. I'll go ahead and leave a card up here. Go ahead and click that video, check it out. I'm just going to take one of these pads and just go over my brows to clean them off. That is pretty much how I do my brows, you guys. No more spending $12 to get them threaded because your girl can do them at home for $3.99. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like this video, comment on this video, and subscribe to my channel, you guys. On the road to 400 subscribers. We about to bust 400 subscribers before September, okay? So remember, guys, manifest your dreams, your desires, reach for your goals. And yeah, so I hope you guys have a great day or night, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.